Now today you're going to understand how to print out different types of variables. First of all, let's see how to print out a simple value. Let's say I want to print out my name. My name, sorry, I forgot the double quotation. My name is Mimisi. And now, if you print it out, will represent my name is Mimisi. Same way you can print out a simple integer value 23. This is possible. Um, let's say whether this is possible or not in Python. Yeah, it's possible. You can simply print out integer values. You can simply print out 12.556, the different types of a float value. You can even print the 23 as a string. Oh, that's a problem. Yeah, yeah, you can print it out. These are very easy things to understand. And let's see how to print out different types of variables. Let's first comment out this course. We don't need to run them when executed. And now let's assign this code. Let's assign my favorite first. First let's see what is favorite. I don't remember how to write favorite for some reason. Shit, what the hell. Oh shit, I don't. Wait a second. Let's see. Ah, yes. This is how we are going to write favorite. I'm not a native English speaker, so I get a pass, I think. Favorite, okay. My favorite. My favorite food. Let's say chicken. It's a string value. And let's type my age. 23. It's an integer value. Let's type what else we're going to type? The time, yeah. The time. 10:53. You might be wondering something. The way I'm naming the variables. This naming type is similar or the same as which is used for Java and for C, so it's same. But I'm going to provide a video explaining that as well in the upcoming sessions. Now we're going to print out. You can simply state the print statement and my favorite food, and again my age, and even the time, and it's printed out. Oh, what the hell? Okay, don't really care about this. Okay, trigger 23. Yeah, for some reason you want to print this out in a different form. Let's assume using concatenate method. Let's say print, say my age is, and then to concatenate the value, like in Java, you can simply plus and add my age. In normal context, this should work, but let's see whether it works or not. It has an error. To combat this error, you need to enclose this within within braces, and then you have to type typecasting You have to convert this my age integer type to string in order to concatenate with the other string. Otherwise, it provides an error. Now you can simply print up. Oh shit. So I think I made a mistake here. Let's see. Okay. What is the issue? Ah, yes. Always be mindful of the braces. I just deleted one of the braces accidentally. I have replaced the braces, and it should work now. Yeah, it works. And you can see there's a disturbance here in the space. You can split by providing space here, and it's all right. Ah, yes. Fuck. You know, for example, in Python, you can't combine in printing statements. You can't combine string plus int or float or anything other anything other than string. If not allowed. So in Python you can only print out string values if a single string is printed out. Let's see this applies to variables as well. For example, let's say I'm going to let's say my age and my let's see whether it's printed or not. I'm going to comment out these. Let's say whether it's printed or not. That's an error. And why is that? Because you cannot print out this string because an integer is already printed. Now let's change the positions. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's still the same problem. To combat this issue, you can simply, you can't convert a string value to integer, but you can convert an integer value to string value, subcasting or something like that. I'm not sure by the substuff, but I think it's mindful of the braces, and you can print it out with animation. Yeah, chicken 23. Now you might have problem. You need to have a space between chicken and 23. It's simple. You can another string constant provide braces, and this is just great. Yeah. It's done. So right here. And now you might be wondering, why can't we print out without using this string method? Why can't we print out without this string method? Why can't? Let's do the same thing. My age, and let's see what will output. 46. And why is that? Because my age is 23 and this is 23 and this is being added. This is not concatenated here. This has been added. So it's 46. You cannot add string values and integer value. That's the reason behind it. So if you just want to output an integer value, you can simply print it inside here. Or if you want to output multiple types, integers, floating values, string values, you must convert all the types of values which are not string into type of string using the type string method. That's the way. This is the way. I think it's pretty much it. You might have an understanding about the variables and assignment and prints here. If you have any doubts and questions, please make sure to ask and comment about it, and I'll make sure to answer. Thank you for watching.